You'll never understand me.
Guys, what's up? This is Josh. I am super excited and a little nervous, but I wanted to start to do the testing on and experiments on some of these haunted objects that we've been unboxing now over the past couple weeks. I'm very excited to get into this, so here we go. This right here, guys, we're going to just start right from the top in the A category, go all the way down to C, and we're going to test some of these objects to see what's going on, just to see if there's anything. I don't know like what to expect. I do know that in the A category that we have here, which starting off, we're going to be starting with this one, which, if you guys remember, this is just Object A, or it was labeled Object A. This is the one that was from the Odell Sanitarium. It's obviously like an old teapot. There is no claims whatsoever of any paranormal activity surrounding this object. However, if an object were to have paranormal activity maybe attached to it in some way, shape, or form, what better place than a sanatorium where a lot of kids would have played with this? And a lot of those kids, most likely, guys, as sad as it is to say this, most of those kids most likely lost their lives. Tuberculosis and all that stuff. It was a terrible, terrible disease that wiped out hundreds of thousands of people easily. So if an object were to have something attached to it, this could very well be that object, for sure. I'm sure this object brought a lot of children a lot of joy in playing with this. It got their mind off of the disease that was killing them, basically. So with this object, guys, from, again, the Odell Sanitarium, which is super cool. If you go back to the other video that we had posted when I unboxed this thing, on the bottom here, it does say Odell Sanatorium. You have to have a light on it and kind of shine from above so you can see it, but it is etched in there. It's really, really cool. So guys, first things up, I'm going to grab this. I've got a couple different devices over here, right? And the first device that I have, and this right here is just a Mel meter, right? So the Mel meter itself will measure, temperature fluctuations. It will measure EMF activity, things of that nature. I'm not really expecting much as far as like EMF activity goes or is concerned. So we're gonna find out here like exactly what's going on. But this little guy here, I'm just gonna go ahead and set it on the table. And I'm going to start moving the camera around. Here we are. All right. So here, whoa. Okay, so that's kind of messed up, guys. I don't know if you see what's going on here, right? With the fluctuation, and now it stops. Okay, so this is pretty interesting. So I don't even know. Like, I guess what I'm finding most interesting is the simple fact that when I first pulled this out, it was on. I had the device like on, ready to go, and I pulled it over here, and it wasn't reacting like this. And now, I mean, it's still going here. Look at this. It's still freaking going. Still freaking going. How in the hell? Okay. So I'm going to set the camera there. Just real quick, pull the thing away, and it's not going off at all. I'm just going to put it back where I had it. That's super cool. A little weird, but super cool at the same time. Wow. Okay, so Object A, pretty phenomenal so far. Not too shabby so far. Guys, if you notice over here in the corner, I also have the Geo box running as well. I just wanted to see, by turning this on, if we were to get anything significant, right? So, this is going off again too, guys. This is hitting again. It's hitting again. It's hitting again. What the hell? Hello? Guys. You hear voices? That's me. I'm trying to talk to you. Where is she? Where's who? Wow. Guys, wow. I was not expecting this at all. Guys, I'm not expecting anything from the A category at all. And for this to be going on right now is phenomenal. Hello? Guys, can you tell me where this teapot came from? I'm curious. I think it's really cool. Yeah, where'd the teapot come from, guys? The teapot on the counter, where'd it come from? What? Do you know where this came from? You don't know where this came from. Wow. Just kind of set it and forget it. What the hell? Guys, do you know where this teapot came from? Can you help me out a little bit? Where? Would you guys like me to keep this teapot here at the manor with us? Yes? I will leave this here. Wow. All right. Guys, pretty successful test. I'm shutting all this shit off. Like, it's freaking me out a little bit. So, again, in the A category, like the objects A and object A2, I wasn't expecting much to happen for numerous reasons, right? And one of those reasons being that there was no supported, anything when it comes to this stuff. So there's no claims of activity. I don't understand why this would be doing what it's doing. That's what's interesting to me, okay? It shouldn't be doing this, okay? There's no claims of activity with this. Again, like I said, if anything were to be haunted, this would be right up there. The only other thing is A2, and A2 we're going to get to in the next video. And A2 was that chalice thing. I have it right here. Let me grab it. It was this guy. Remember this cool little object, this cool little goblet or whatever? It was said to be used in necromancy and things like that. So trying to potentially summon things. I don't know what to expect from that. That was in a haunted museum for years. And then they lost the museum in a flood. But again, that'll be the next video. Object A, guys. I passed the test, I guess. Like, my God, this is amazing. Super cool. So I'm definitely going to keep object A kind of in the category of haunted, or something odd is going on here. I definitely didn't expect the K2 meter to react the way it did. That is for sure. So anyway, on that happy little note, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. I hope everybody's doing great. We'll see you very, very soon with Object A2 and the testing there. Peace.